Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. Today we're diving into a very exciting topic, Social Media 101. Whether you're just starting to check out social media or you want to brush up on your knowledge, you're in the right place. So, what is social media? Simply put, social media refers to platforms and websites that allow us to create, share, and exchange content. It's all about user-generated content and online communication. From posting photos and videos to sharing thoughts and ideas, social media has transformed the way we connect with others. We've got Facebook, we've got Instagram, we've got Twitter, we've got LinkedIn, we've got TikTok, Now let's talk about why social media is so important. In the personal context, it helps us stay connected with family and friends, no matter where they are in the world. We can share our lives, celebrate special moments, and even discover new interests through our communications. But it's not just about personal connections. On a professional level, social media is a powerful tool for networking, branding, and marketing. It allows businesses to reach their target audience, engage with customers, and build a community around their brand. It's a platform where professionals can showcase their skills, find new opportunities, and collaborate with others in their field. Okay, Facebook, we can comment, we can share, we can add pictures, we can do all kinds of things. That's what, see, comments. Look at all these comments. Comments. Oh my goodness. It is, and news. Social media, gotta love it. So whether you're here to connect with loved ones or to grow your business, social media plays a significant role in everyday lives. It's more than just a trend. It's a vital part of our communication landscape. In the upcoming sections of this tutorial series, we will explore the different types of social media platforms, the benefits of using them, and how to get started. So if you are ready to embark on a social media adventure, let's get started.